hope everybody is doing good. So I was just about to go out in a while, and I was about to do my makeup. I had shared a picture a couple of days back with the brown MAC eyeshadow which I had done, and I got an overwhelming response from my friends, from my digital family, and everybody. So I just wanted to redo it again for your reference. Okay, me as a person, I don't like using foundation on myself because of certain ifs and buts that I don't like it on myself. And yes, but I definitely use a concealer to hide my flaws because if you see, I have dark circles. And but nobody to be blamed for the dark circles. It's my own routine because I don't sleep for 8 hours, and yes, it definitely affects your skin if you don't have a proper sleep. So, anyways, that's a different topic to be spoken about. Let's not waste time, and I will show you how to do it. Let's begin. So this is an eyebrow brush. That's an eyebrow pencil. If it becomes too dark, just give it a rub. I usually have a habit of doing it, so I do it. The next that we'll be using is a this is a eyeshadow concealer that I have been using since long. It's by PAC, the brand PAC. I usually use my fingers to blend the concealer on eyes because I feel it happens properly. You can anyways use a wet beauty blender. It's your choice and your preference, but yes. The next that we use is a brush, okay, a small brush, and then I use this brown eyeshadow. Make sure you blend it, keep blending because the more you keep blending it, the softer look you get. See, if you see there's a white patch here because of the concealer, just apply more product to it. Just do not go above your eyelid, okay? Just keep it till that, and yes, keep blending. Blend, 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 blend. So the more you blend, the softer look that you get. Let's begin with the next eye. don't forget and don't skip using eye concealer or maybe a foundation or a concealer on eyes, because the application happens very nicely. The eyeshadow gets very pigmented, so make sure you do that. And that's it. You can use any color. I like using this brown color. In fact, I've been fond of this color recently, so you can use any color that you want. You can keep on experimenting the way I do it. Okay, the next that I'll be using is a concealer. This is a matte concealer which suits my skin tone, so I have been using them since years. And yes, again I'll use my finger and apply it. See, and this is how it gets blended with my skin. Don't apply too much of product, just make it and keep it minimal so that your dark circles are hidden. And that's what it is with me. The next that I will be using is the eyelash. So just a hack: when you remove an eyelash from the palette, there is a stick on the eyelash lid. Okay, there's a stick on the lid, so just try to remove it. I don't know if you all can see this. This is a sticky thing which has to be removed, so then when you apply your glue on it, it will stick properly. Okay, this is a glue that I've been using from Duo, and yes. So I applied the glue and just give it a blow. So when I don't feel like applying a liner, I usually prefer using a lash because it enhances the look, as I had told you in my last post. And let's do this. You can apply the lash with the tweezers, sorry. But I usually prefer doing it with my hands so that it happens easily for me. And make sure when you're pulling your lash, pull it from the maybe end, or yes, maybe just pull it from the end so it does not break in between. Just don't apply too much of lash glue, because then after drying it becomes very whitish, so be careful about it. Yes. Okay, so that's how I applied my lashes. And yes, you can use an eye color if you're comfortable with, but for daily use, I don't use my eye color, not because I'm a very quick person in doing makeup, so eye color and all, I manage it while I do mascara. And yes, many of you all will find it difficult to apply the lash, but guys, trust me, it's all about practice. And initially, when I was learning years back, even it was difficult for me. But yes, I'm becoming a champion now. Okay, so the next till the time this lashes dry, I'll be doing my lipstick. So this is a matte lipstick that I have. The next that I have is my blush. The blush has to be as per your skin tone. I use either an orange or a pink, anything that suits me. Okay, so that's it. Let's keep it a bit natural. And the last but not the least is the mascara. This is the mascara by Maybelline which I have been using, and yes. So make sure your lashes and your original lash both gets merged so that it does not look like a fake one. Okay, so this is a good thing that has happened. The mascara is on my concealer, okay, and I will show you how to sort this out. Okay, now this is wet, let this dry, and I will show it to you how to remove it. Okay, so we are done with the makeup, and this which has happened in between the video, I will be back with a earbud and show to you how to remove it. Okay, so I'm back. I was not prepared that this will happen, and of course get an earbud, let this dry, and then just remove it. Okay, and that's it. And if you want to apply your product back, just apply. I feel that I need a little bit of concealer. Okay, we are good to go. I hope you like it, and do try this. And if you have any queries, I mean any questions, anything, please let me know. You can anytime message me, and yes, I'm here to help you. Goodbye.